In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make ElevenLabs voice laugh. We'll start right from the beginning so you can follow along easily. Open your preferred web browser and head to Google. This is the quickest way to get to the right place without memorizing URLs. In the search bar, type ElevenLabs and press enter. You'll see the official ElevenLabs site appear near the top of the results. Look for the domain that ends with elevenlabs.io so you know you're in the right place. Then click through to open it. Once you're on the site, navigate to the text-to-speech section. This is where we'll write the line you want the AI voice to speak. Depending on your setup, you may already be in the app interface. If the page looks different, just look for wording like text-to-speech or speech synthesis to get to the editor. Now, let's craft the prompt that will trigger a laugh. ElevenLabs responds well to simple, bracketed directions embedded inside your text. To make the voice laugh, include the word laughing in square brackets right where you want the laugh to happen. For example, you might write, "That was incredible." Laughing, we actually did it. You can place the bracketed cue at the start, in the middle, or at the end of a sentence, depending on the effect you want. Mid-sentence often sounds the most natural, as if the speaker is breaking into laughter while talking. Keep your words around the bracket conversational, and use punctuation to guide the rhythm. A comma before or after the bracket can help the timing feel more human, like this. "I can't believe it," laughing. "That was amazing." If your first attempt sounds too short or too long, adjust the surrounding text rather than overcomplicating the bracket. A short phrase before the bracket and a complete thought after it usually produces a clean, believable result. And if your script is meant to be excited or playful, choose words that fit that mood so the laugh feels earned. When your line is ready, click Generate Speech. Let the audio process, then listen closely to how the laugh lands. If it doesn't sit where you expected, move the laughing cue a word earlier or later, or tighten the sentence around it so the timing feels more natural. Small edits go a long way here. Regenerate as needed until the laugh fits the tone and pacing you want. That's it. By guiding the AI with a simple, bracketed cue and thoughtful timing, you can make ElevenLabs voices laugh convincingly and naturally.